There once was a sock. Not just any sock, mind you, but a sock with a purpose, a dream, a destiny intertwined with its mate. Let's call it Argyle. Argyle was a vibrant, confident sock, boasting a pattern that could cheer up even the gloomiest Monday morning. Its partner, well, its partner was gone, vanished. Into the ether, the Bermuda Triangle of the laundry room, the very maw of the washing machine beast. For Argyle, this wasn't just a minor inconvenience, it was an existential crisis. And for us, the bewildered humans who found Argyle languishing in the laundry basket, this wasn't just about a missing piece of clothing. Oh no. It was a profound, deeply unsettling mystery that gnawed at the very fabric of our being. The siren call of the incomplete. Why does a missing sock send us into such a tizzy? Is it the financial loss? Debatable, unless you're rocking cashmere socks every day. Is it the sheer inconvenience? Mildly, perhaps, but certainly not catastrophic. The truth, my friends, lies deep within the labyrinthine corridors of our magnificent pattern-obsessed brains. Our brains, you see, are champion pattern recognizers. They love order, symmetry, and neat little packages. From the moment we're tiny humans, we're hardwired to spot sequences, predict outcomes, and fill in the blanks. Think about it, a child building with blocks instinctively seeks to complete a tower. A musician craves the resolution of a chord progression. A storyteller builds towards a satisfying conclusion. This innate drive for completeness is a cognitive bias known as the Zeigarnik effect. It's the reason why a cliffhanger keeps you glued to a show or an unfinished task nags at you until it's done. And so, when we encounter a lone sock, our brains shriek in protest. It's an anomaly, an unfulfilled pattern, a gaping hole in the universe of our dresser drawers. Our internal filing system, which thrives on pairs and sets, registers a glaring error. It's like a typo in a meticulously crafted poem or a missing piece in a jigsaw puzzle. It demands attention, resolution, and, if possible, a dramatic reunion. The phantom sock and our cognitive biases. This obsession with incompleteness is further fueled by a delightful array of cognitive biases that turn the hunt for the missing sock into a detective story of epic proportions. There's confirmation bias, for instance. We know that washing machines eat socks. We've heard the urban legends, seen the evidence. So every time we pull out a single sock, our belief is confirmed, and the mystery deepens. Aha! We exclaim, another victim claimed by the metallic leviathan. Then there's illusory correlation, where we perceive a relationship between things that don't actually exist. You've probably noticed that your favorite socks are always the ones that go missing. Is it true? Or is it just that the emotional investment in those socks makes their disappearance feel more significant, creating a perceived pattern where none truly exists? Your brain, bless its overactive heart, loves a good conspiracy theory. And let's not forget the sunk cost fallacy. You've already invested time, energy, and emotional capital into the pair. To discard the remaining sock feels like admitting defeat, like throwing away half a potential outfit. So we cling to Argyle, hoping against hope that its long-lost partner will miraculously reappear, perhaps hitchhiking its way back from Narnia. The hunt for closure. The pursuit of the missing sock, then, becomes a quest for cognitive closure. It's not just about a clean pair of feet. It's about tidying up the loose ends of our mental world. We meticulously check inside duvet covers, under washing machines, even inside the pockets of jeans that haven't seen the light of day in months. We develop elaborate theories, perhaps a rogue squirrel with a penchant for fine hosiery, or a tiny, sock-loving gnome who lives behind the dryer. It's a dance between frustration and amusement, a testament to our brain's enduring quirks. We know, deep down, that it's just a sock. But the sheer illogicality of its disappearance, combined with our brain's relentless pursuit of order, turns it into a microcosm of life's greater mysteries. So, the next time you find yourself holding a lone sock, don't despair. Instead, take a moment to marvel at the magnificent, slightly unhinged workings of your own mind. Smile at your brain's adorable obsession with patterns and its unwavering need for completeness. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, if you hum a little tune and think happy thoughts, Argyle's long-lost partner will finally tumble out of a forgotten corner, bringing sweet, sweet closure to your sock drawer saga. And then you can finally put your feet up, knowing that for a brief moment, the universe is in perfect, paired harmony. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful. For more thought-provoking insights, please visit selfstalker.com.